welcome to 710 Frederick Back. It's an impeccable corner townhouse that is designed to meet the high LEED standards and offers a spacious floor plan that spans over 4 levels. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a powder room. Let's take a look inside. This property is strategically located with quick and easy access to highways 40 and 20, as well as the new REM, John Abbott College, and the McDonald campus of McGill University. The Terra community benefits from an exceptional and unique location. It's adjacent to the Morgan Arboretum, located in the heart of the Senneville Forest Eco Territory, the largest expanse of preserved woodlands in the Greater Montreal area, even larger than that of Mount Royal. The Arboretum offers 25 kilometers of walking, ski, and snowshoe trails.
This main floor open concept features living, kitchen, and dining room. The sleek, luxurious interior boasts full-length windows, letting in loads of natural light. This modern kitchen with quartz countertop, full-length cabinets, porcelain backsplash, and a large island. The second floor houses 3 good-sized bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a laundry room. The master bedroom comes with a beautiful ensuite as well as a large walk-in closet. The third floor has been set up as a large bedroom with ensuite and balcony. It's perfectly suited as a large guest suite for family members or friends, but it can also be used as a studio or a large office. The basement features a versatile family room with access to the double car garage. This home is pre-wired to accommodate electric charging stations. This patio is a perfect setting for relaxing, dining, or entertaining.
Call us today to book your private tour.